The NASDAQ, a stock market, but not just any stock market. It's the home of the tech giants. Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, they all live here. Founded in 1971, NASDAQ was the first electronic stock market. No trading floor, just computers. This made buying and selling stocks faster, cheaper, and more accessible. The NASDAQ is known for listing innovative, high-growth companies, primarily in the technology sector. The NASDAQ isn't a physical place, it's a network. Computers connect buyers and sellers. It's all about speed. Milliseconds matter. The NASDAQ is open from 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Time, Monday through Friday. During these hours, millions of shares change hands. The NASDAQ is a vital part of the global economy. Imagine a vast, interconnected network. That's the NASDAQ. Buyers and sellers don't meet face-to-face. They interact through computers. It's all about supply and demand. If more people want to buy a stock, its price goes up. If more people want to sell, the price goes down. This constant fluctuation creates opportunities for investors. Traders use sophisticated software to analyze the market. They look for patterns, trends, and news that might affect stock prices. Orders are placed electronically and executed in milliseconds. The speed of trading on NASDAQ is mind-boggling. It's a high-stakes game where fortunes can be made or lost in the blink of an eye. The NASDAQ is more than just a stock market. It's a symbol of innovation. Many of the companies listed on NASDAQ are at the forefront of technological advancement. They're developing the products and services that are shaping our future. The NASDAQ provides these companies with access to capital. This capital allows them to grow, innovate, and create jobs. The success of these companies, in turn, drives economic growth. The NASDAQ plays a crucial role in fostering innovation and supporting the growth of the technology sector, which has a ripple effect throughout the global economy. Section 4. Global Impact. A world driven by innovation. The NASDAQ is a global marketplace where investors from all over the world participate in the buying and selling of stocks. This interconnectedness highlights the global nature of the financial markets. The performance of the NASDAQ has a direct impact on investor sentiment worldwide. When the NASDAQ is up, it signals confidence in the technology sector and the overall economy. This can lead to increased investment and economic growth. Conversely, a downturn in the NASDAQ can spark fear and uncertainty, potentially leading to a slowdown in economic activity. Section 5. Investing in NASDAQ, Risks and Rewards. The NASDAQ is known for its volatility. Stock prices can fluctuate dramatically in short periods. This creates both risks and rewards for investors. Investing in NASDAQ requires careful consideration and a long-term perspective. Diversification is key to managing risk. Investors should spread their investments across different sectors and asset classes. It's also crucial to stay informed about market trends and the performance of individual companies. The NASDAQ offers investors the potential for high returns, but it's important to remember that investing always involves risk.